In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Pandadoc Hubspot integration. Integrating your Pandadoc and Hubspot accounts can streamline your workflow, making document management and client interactions more efficient and cohesive. Let's walk through the process together so you can get started seamlessly. First, you'll need to head over to the Pandadoc homepage. This is your central hub for all things Pandadoc, where you can access your documents, templates, and settings. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, look towards the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. There you'll find the Settings option. Clicking on this will take you to the Settings menu where you can manage your account configurations. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Workspace Settings. The Workspace Settings area is where you can manage everything related to your particular Pandadoc workspace, such as users and integrations. Once you're in this area of the settings, look for the API and integration section. This is an important step because this is where you'll have the option to connect with other applications like HubSpot. Next, click on Integrations. This section allows you to connect Pandadoc with a variety of other platforms to enhance your document usage and CRM capabilities. Among the list of integrations, look for HubSpot. HubSpot is a powerful customer relationship management platform that, when connected with Pandadoc, allows you to quickly access and manage client documents without needing to switch between platforms. When you found HubSpot on the list, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the specific integration page for connecting Pandadoc to HubSpot. You should see a prompt or button that says Connect. By clicking this, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection between the two platforms. Ensure that you're logged into your HubSpot account or you'll be asked to do so. When connecting, you might be asked to confirm permissions. Make sure to read through these carefully to understand what data and functionalities will be shared between Pandadoc and HubSpot. This integration will allow you to create, send, and track documents directly from your HubSpot account, which can significantly optimize the way you manage client interactions. And that's it. You're all set up. With your Pandadoc and HubSpot accounts now integrated, you can enjoy a more streamlined and efficient workflow. By having these two powerful tools connected, you can focus more on building relationships with your clients and less on the back and forth hassle of document management. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the setup, both Pandadoc and HubSpot have extensive support resources and customer service teams to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.